Regitze from Great Advertising. Today I want to talk about what Meta or Facebook wants us to do. Meta, Facebook, the new name is Meta. They really want us to stay on their platform. So when we make ads, then if we make ads that lead people to go away from the platform, go to a website or so, then we are gonna get a worse result. So we're gonna pay more for the leads, and also another problem is that the tracking after the iOS update, where Apple users, they can choose not to be tracked. Then we get a poor result because we can't track those people who are going off the Meta or the Facebook platform. But if they stay on the platform, then we can track everybody, so we can get an accurate result and thereby find out what ads are working the best. And this is really important when we're scaling the ads. We want to only scale the ads that work good, of course. So it's really important to have tracking. So how can we do this? Well, we can, there's different options. Meta or Facebook is giving us different options that we can use to make ads and get leads and customers on their platform. One is, for instance, the lead forms. We can use lead form ads where you make an ad and then if people click on it, then a lead form jumps up where we can collect a name, email address, and telephone number directly there on Facebook. And most people have their name and email and also often their telephone number registered in Facebook. So it's actually auto-filled. So it's really easy for them to fill it out, or it's auto-filled and they just have to send it in and they have opted in for that lead. And then you can collect those leads on Facebook, on your Facebook ad account, and you can then contact the leads who opted in on your ad, who were interested in your ad. Another way is we can send people to some of the other ads that Facebook owns, like WhatsApp or Messenger. And there they can send you a message requesting something about your offer. And that's also an in-app platform, so an in-app way of collecting leads or getting in contact with your ideal clients. Another one is having Facebook shops. So you can set up a Facebook shop directly on Facebook. So instead of leading people off the app again, off Facebook, and leading them to your website, maybe to your Shopify store or whatever you have, then you can set up a Facebook shop, and they can then purchase directly there on Facebook or on Instagram also, because Instagram is also owned by Facebook. And this, like I said, is a much cheaper way. Those ads that collect leads directly on Facebook, they are much cheaper on Instagram, because Instagram is also owned by Facebook. So it's kind of the same thing, same company. So it gives you a cheaper result and also better tracking, like I said, because we can't track those people who are opted out of being tracked if they go off the platform. But when they're on the platform, on any of Facebook's or Meta's platforms, then they are still tracked. And we can also make retargeting ads from those people who are on the platforms. Before, we would make retargeting ads from maybe website visitors or an email list. You can still do that, but it's again better to make retargeting and lookalike audiences from in-source or in-app audiences. And this can be your followers on Instagram or on Facebook, or it can be people who watch some of your videos, so video viewers. You can retarget those or make lookalike audiences from those sources. And another trend that that is coming is reels. So make sure that you make some reels, and also you can make reels as ads, because short form videos is the new trend. Every platform is using short form videos now, both TikTok and Facebook, Instagram, also Shorts and YouTube. So short form videos have a better reach, and is also then cheaper because you get more reach for your money. And another thing that is important is to make a simple sales funnel, meaning that you don't make it complicated where people have to first press on your ad, go to your website, opt in for maybe an email, or becoming a subscriber or so. No, make it simple. Again, use the lead forms where they can subscribe or opt in for your whatever. Maybe you're offering a free ebook or something. Opt in for that directly on the Facebook app by filling out the lead form, which is anyway usually automatic filled out, so it's very, very easy for them. And also direct to offer. You can also have an ad that where they can purchase right away. That can be again going directly to your Facebook shop or Instagram shop. Another thing that is important and becoming increasingly more important is to build a brand. Or you can also utilize other people's brands, and that is, for instance, influencers. And not just purchase maybe a shout out or so from an influencer, but you can ask the influencer to maybe make an ad for you. And having them make your ad, gives you more visibility, because they already have a bigger audience, and people are going to be more interested in watching anything that they do. Of course, it has to be related to your offers. The influencer has to be in your niche. But you can ask them maybe to make an ad with a product that you have, a service that you have that they are related to, and then you can, of course, you pay for that, and then you can use that video that they make as an ad. So I hope these little tips were helpful. Please comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, share it with your friends. And also, if you are interested in working with us, then we are specialized in getting leads for coaches and consultants. So comment below or send me a message or an email if you're interested in that. And have a great day. Take care. Bye.